Hi, I'm Sungjunan, and this is the video about case 8. And now let's start it. Okay, so today we're going to solve the problem, example 4.17, and it's about breaking a stick on page 2 to 3. So here is the problem. Okay, now let's start it. So here's the problem, and here's some figure I organized about the example 4.17. So let's see. So there is a stick of ranks row, and we break it at a point which is chosen randomly and uniformly over its ranks. And we keep the piece that contains the left end of the stick. So we then repeat the same process. So listen, the same process on the piece that we were left with. And the problem says what is the expected length of the piece that we are left with after breaking two y's. So first I want to set y and x, and y is, we let y be the length of the stick after we break it in the first time, and x is in the second time. So let's make some equation. So here is some figure, and let's see. First is y. So we can make some conditional PDF fy of y, and the small y in interval 0 to row, the value is 1 over row, and otherwise is 0. So we can make some expectation y. Ey is equal row over 2, because we break the first time a stick of length row. So the row is mean a total length of stick, and we divided the stick, so the stick both are uniformly distributed. So the value is row over 2. And let's see the x. So we can make a conditional f x given y, and it's if small x, the interval in 0 to y is 1 over y, and otherwise is 0. So we can make some expectation x given y. So the x given y is same small y, and its result is y over 2, because we break the stick, the left stick. So the left stick, the stick of length is y, so here's y, and we break it at a point, so the y over 2. So it makes sense. Alright, and before we start the last step, I want some check the conditional expectation, chapter 4. So here is the conditional expectation. So now we can see here. So if expectation x given y is a function of y, it satisfies the next following equation. So let's look at it. So here is the equation. So it means the expectation of ex given y is same. The final equation is ex. So I want to use this equation, and so I make some parameters. So I set the y and x, and I can make the ex given y, and its ex given y is a function of y, because it can be viewed as a function of y because its variable depends on the variable y. So let's use it. Right, so if we using the row of iterated expectations, the ex is same expectation of ex given y, and is equal small y. So let's see, the x given y is here, and the value is y over 2. So we can write the expectation of y over 2, and it is same expectation y over 2, and ey is same row over 2. Right, so the result is row over 4. So the case 8 solution is N. Thank you.